Hey YouTube, I was gonna do woodworking today, but my girlfriend told me this vacuum cleaner has been clogged up since about a few days ago. And today she says she got a vacuum. So I don't have much choice but to do this now. So today's not gonna be really woodworking. I'm gonna show you how to unclog a vacuum. It's just an upright hoover or vessel. A lot of people take these to a service technician or something and have work on it. Costs about $100. I'm gonna show you how to do it that cheap way. The first thing you do is you need to take these screws out of the brush assembly. Taking it out, this just snaps out. My girlfriend does a lot of sewing, so there's always thread in here.
This is a great bear with work.
It's a tedious process, but unfortunately it has to be done because these threads can get caught in everything. And it's best to have them out. Carpet press you put down in your carpet does not just fade all the way. Some stays in the machine, some leaves. That's why you need to have another vacuum cleaner ready. I use my 6 horsepower shop vac. That's how I clean this thing out. Actually, the way this thing is designed, brushes here, and everything feeds into this hose, goes up here, round into the bag. Now, this is the part that gets clogged the most. What you do is you take this out. I just usually want a vacuum cleaner for there. But if you have a stubborn clog that doesn't really want to come out, you run a wire through here. One vacuum cleaned. Side note, I went to get a phone yesterday, and this is what I always get Motorola. So this is Motorola's next thing. It's huge. It's like wearing a daggone computer on your belt. I gotta bend over with this thing. I've got to readjust it or something. Anyway, I hope this helped you out. Anyway, I hope this helped you out. I hope it saved you some money.